Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure the C++ workload and the toolset you need are installed. Open Visual Studio and load your solution, then check configuration and platform so builds stay consistent. Next, run the Visual Studio installer to add or update MSVC or LLVM toolsets if missing. Once done, reopen the solution and inspect the project properties. This is where you will point the project to the newer C++ language and compiler options. You now change the project toolset and language standard. Right-click the project, open Properties, then under General set the platform toolset to the newer MSVC or LLVM you installed. Next, go to C/C++ right arrow language and select the C++ language standard you want. Select C++17, C++20, or C++23 depending on features you need. Make sure to apply changes, and if you have multiple projects, use a property sheet so all projects share the same toolset and avoid mismatched ABI issues. You finish by rebuilding and testing. Do a clean and then rebuild the solution to surface conversion errors. These often reveal deprecated APIs or new stricter checks. If linking errors appear, check that all libraries were built with the same toolset and update NuGet packages or external binaries. Once tests pass, commit changes. If unexpected failures occur, delete the intermediate and bin folders, then rebuild. This removes stale object files that often cause mysterious build or runtime mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.